Fall is just around the corner, and now is the perfect time to redecorate your space before the busy holiday season. A recliner can be a simple way to add form and function to a room. But selecting the right piece of furniture can make all the difference. First, we have this casual full-size chair that offers that plush comfort and more features than a pushback recliner. Here we've paired this cozy chair with an equally warm and inviting room. This rustic end table and matching decor make this into a space anyone can enjoy. Pushback recliners are a great option for those with fashion in mind. They offer the functionality of a recliner, but they won't take over as the centerpiece of your room. Here, the minimalistic stylings of this pushback chair adds to the transitional feel of the room. Pair this complimentary wall art and stylish rug to complete the space. If form and function is more your style, this modern power recliner lets you work and relax in the same space. It offers a ton of storage, USB charging, and LED lighting that really creates a cinematic experience. The art and modern end table provide the perfect complement to the chair and bring the space together. For those with practical needs, you don't have to skimp on comfort. These lift chairs provide extra mobility without sacrificing style. The storage trunk provides dual function as a table with hidden storage, and the casual vintage accessories really accent the room. As always, you can find everything in all these rooms at American Furniture Warehouse.